Welcome to Switch It Up. We are on the road, we are traveling, and we have a one-night stay at a harvest host. And Sheila, you found something really unique.
I wasn't really quite sure what I found, but I was like, well, that's kind of like right in the way of where we needed to go. So here we are.
Can we give you a hint before we roll the intro? Let's give them a hint. Do you see that? Not the bus, but the markings on the bus. That's the hint. You think they'll get it? Even Sheila knows this one.
Finally, like all this time, like we've been to 𝗃ⁱ
Yeah.
We've been to, what other movie were you talking about, or TV show?
We've talked about all kinds of stuff.
And
she has no idea.
I didn't know what you're talking about, and now I know.
But this one?
𝗃𝐽𝐻, that's
yes,
what it was.
She is this close to a heartthrob that she had back in the, she's this close.
Like something that used to be a poster on my wall when I was a teenage girl.
So we're gonna roll the intro. We're gonna show you this interesting harvest host from what we've seen from driving back here. We'll just get you up to speed, get you the details. This one should be a fun little video, I think. Hopefully, because there's a lot to see here.
You never know what you're gonna find out on the road.
No, that's why RV life is so fun. All right, roll the intro and we'll jump into it.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Low dude for president.
See a red and blue house on the right, go around the bend, make the first left. The first
What is this? It is true. We have made it to John Snyder's studio. It's even got a sign up here, electric one that says all that stuff. It's pretty neat. How'd you find it?
Harvest host.
Harvest Host has so many unique things.
Yes, absolutely.
As we're driving down, she's like, we need, what, a one-night stay over?
We just need a one-night stay. We cracker barreled it last night, so I think we should harvest hostess it tonight.
So when you come in off the road, you're gonna come through this gate, and then from there, it goes really, really skinny all the way back.
Yeah, there's a
So take your time.
Here.
Yeah, to get back. So we're gonna go look around. We're going up to Camp Singing Waters, I think is what he calls that. I have no idea. So we're gonna go experience what's there around here. I can't even talk today.
Are you starstruck?
No. Insane harvest host.
So we gotta go left here. There's an orange tree.
Hazard Nation.
Where are we? Oh, that's a kind of cool
This is,
field.
I will say this is the most unique harvest host situation that we've come across.
Yeah.
Here's the Broadmoor Theater here, in case you're wondering. I need to tell you that this is a very slow drive. Do not, we're 45 feet and the turns are a little tight.
Look like it. He just worked, good old boy, working on his farm.
I think we spot John. I think he's on a tractor.
We need to go through these buildings.
He's out here working.
I think you're right. I think that too. This is his land. Why wouldn't you?
This is just unique. How are we back there? Are we good?
I
Okay.
feel like I should look.
Yeah, you better get out and look. Okay, we're just gonna take a second to assess our situation. So, where are we supposed to park?
Watch one, it says.
So what's considered a spot?
See those little numbers?
One of these things ain't like the other. I mean, we're a little big. Look at that. That is fat. He's got the General Lee on the side there.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I hear cows.
Where do you want to, you gonna back in here?
I guess we'll just choose like this one.
And then, okay, sounds like a challenge.
Yeah, I'll scoop around and then we'll try to go. What do we have here? We have a crushed up General Lee. Bose General Lee. That's fabulous. So when you come in, you're met with this like pond that you go over. And they have all these like eclectic things up here. So we got the caboose, they're working on a house. You got the cars up to the front. Sheila, there's a puppy. We still don't know the puppy's name.
No, tried to look.
We found the snack shack. The snack
More
shack.
importantly than that, look at that. This is where John Schneider gets to park.
We are at the one and only John Schneider parking spot. Unfortunately, he is not here, but I see drips of oil, so you must drive an older car. Is the snack shack open?
Oh, look, down to the tailgate. GMC one. Nope, shack's not open.
Well, we need to bring our own snacks over here and we'll go open for business.
I think we could, that looks like a pool.
Outhouses, old cars. Look at this, Sheila. Look at that. There's an old Thunderbird. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so awesome. There's your old Fiero.
Yep.
Just so you know, this was one of Sheila's first cars, was the Fiero.
My first car, black.
Maybe we should search for one and relive those memories.
I don't like it as much as I did then.
We're trying to get details. There's not really anyone to ask what you can and you can't do. We're just kind of wandering. Is that the old Smokey and the Bandit trailer?
Wasn't he in Smokey and the Bandit?
No,
movie?
I don't think he was in Smokey and the I don't remember.
was.
We'll have
He
to
was
look
in
that up. VIP only. Well, of course we're VIP. We have complete, we can go wander around anywhere. So we found the pool.
Look at that.
So this is the VIP entrance, just so you know. Oh gosh. Obviously we're here during off season.
What a great piece of property.
Oh, this is so fun. There's so much here. You have tiki huts, you got a stage,
Yeah, that's
hot tub.
A fun little place to do like a small little gathering.
We're wondering. Let's go see what else we can find around here. It would be a smaller group of people because it's not as big. Oh, this is fun. Wonder what that, why would they have that? You have like, you can walk up on top of all of these.
Who knows? She says
Trailer.
that he does
Oh,
a
the
container.
movies.
Yeah, he does movies here. He does his movies here, and he does his own stunts here. So who knows what he uses those for? But there's containers everywhere. I think it's a whole container village.
It's like a all tied together wood.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is fun. We found this. Then they have like, looks like an event hall that's over here. This is pretty neat. Blessed are the weird people, the artists, the writers, the music makers, the dreamers, and the outsiders, for they force us to see the world differently. That sign right there was meant for your boy Todd. Oh, Sheila!
I see. I see.
Oh, look at this, guys. We're not supposed to be going into the building, so I'm standing outside. There's whole chairs. Look at this. This is neat. Imagine, just for a moment, us taking over this space.
Yeah, if I need to find John.
The crazy part is like, this is off the beaten path. They don't actually have too many groups here. We have a whole deck out here.
There's just some cool wood carvings and just some cool spaces.
When we were talking to them, there's really not too many people that live out this on here, and they have, how many RV spots? There's 13 spots. And there's probably 4 or 5 of people that are on them permanently.
Or there's just RVs on them permanently.
Yeah. I don't know. My mind is spinning on this. So if you're coming this direction, you're wanting to do something unique and come, you should check out this Harvest Host. They do charge us. What do they charge us for electricity?
Well, it's full hookup.
Full hookups.
$40.
So how many nights? Do you know how many nights we could stay if you
Well,
come?
on the website it says 1, I think.
You have a whole. Go over and look at the movie screen. Think of doing something on that screen, and then they have a stage, and then we could all sit outside under the stars.
You're supposed to be just doing a...
I know, but I'm so excited you could come here. We're just thinking outside the box. How could you not see this and go, wow, this is neat? Oh, Sheila.
That's
Daisy.
The Daisy Dukes.
Then over there's Bo, and there's Luke. And there's Roscoe Pico Chain. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, Cooter. Love you, man. This is just fun. Back here, it looks like, oh, this must be the projection room they use. Projection room that goes to the movie, and then you have the stage. They said during the spring this place is just beautiful. And I know we're way off season, it's getting cold.
Okay, what I think is pretty stinking cool is that it's just, it's just, everybody has the ability to have just land. It's just, you can just see that like there's just a little dreams here. Like he shoots movies here, his friends come out and hang out. I think I just love that because it's about bringing people together, right? He has a piece of land and he's using it to bring people together. And his movies are about faith and our country, and you gotta love that. Anyway, great little find here on the Harvest Host.
The whole property sits right next to the river. It's kind of crazy to see. I think what makes this place so unique is that it's all kind of spread out, and everywhere you turn there's like these little hidden areas. But here's 2 more of the cabins for the Airbnb stuff, and they have a joint place that you can hang out at night and have a fire. So if 2 families came, it's pretty neat. I think what they're missing is they should have like the old General Lee running, and you could run it around. Like they could have like a little track, and you could go tearing around and pretend like you're in Dukes of Hazzard. That's what they're missing. They really need an old Dukes of Hazzard car, so you can really add to the experience. And then a place where you can just run around and then make you feel like do like a 3 to 5 minute video making pretend that you're in the show. I think that would be hilarious. I'd have a lot of fun coming up with different ideas and stuff. So yeah, I'm enjoying just, Sheila went back to make us a sandwich and I'm just kind of wandering around. It's pretty cool.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Breaks all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curve, finding the hood.
Well, so Harvest Toast is a great way to save money along the way. However, since it was so dang cold last night, we did get lucky and they have hookups here, so we were able just to pay to have some additional heat, some cold, because I'm supposed to be in Florida. It's all good. Headed to see the family, and that'll be worth it. Just have to remind myself of that. All right, I gotta watch tail swing. You're good. Are you cold too?
Yeah, freezing. I am. It's stinking chilly.
Passing you off.
This is not what RV life's supposed to be like.
No, but I told him we get to see the baby, so it's gonna be worth it.
Yes. Now, if you're ever in these parts,
Why do you talk like that?
because this is John Snyder's Dukes of Hazzard, you should stop in and just kind of tour around. We didn't get to meet anyone. We didn't get to see her Heartthrob. Sorry, John. You must have been really busy this time.
Maybe we'll have to come back in the spring.
Is that foreshadowing?
I guess we'll have to stay tuned. So they should like, comment, subscribe, and do all the things so they'll stay in the know.
In the know. You can always subscribe to our newsletter on our website, GoSwitchItUp.com. Woo, look at how we did that. That was like an official YouTuber thing. All right. We are professional. Well, not really, but okay. We're going to make our way out this long driveway, and we're on the road. Thanks for tuning in.